Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have an exciting product to talk about, and if you have kids or know someone who does, you're going to want to pay close attention. We're diving into the world of baby bibs, specifically the Happy Healthy Parent Silicone Baby Bibs. These bibs are widely regarded as the best silicone baby bibs available in the market. Stick around to find out why. So, what makes these bibs stand out from the rest? Let's break it down for you. These Happy Healthy Parent Silicone Baby Bibs are designed to make your life as a parent easier and your child's mealtime cleaner. They are made from high-quality, food-grade silicone, and here's why they're the ultimate luxury in bibwear. The first thing that sets these bibs apart is the material. They are made from 100% food-grade silicone, which is not only safe for your child but also incredibly soft and smooth to the touch. This luxurious feel ensures that your little one is comfortable while wearing them. Now, let's talk about durability. These bibs are built to last. They are dishwasher safe and designed to resist stains and wear and tear. We've had these for over a year, and they still look as good as new. That's impressive. The design of these bibs is well thought out. They feature a wide, stay-open front pocket that catches food, preventing it from ending up on your child's clothes or the floor. This pocket is a game-changer when it comes to reducing mess and wasted food. Another highlight is the comfort they offer. Your child will find these bibs comfortable to wear, thanks to their soft and flexible nature. The adjustable neckband ensures a snug fit without causing irritation. Cleaning is a breeze with these bibs. You can either wipe them clean with a damp cloth or toss them in the dishwasher's top rack. No more endless scrubbing or laundry loads filled with stained bibs. Speaking of laundry, these bibs are built to withstand the test of time. They don't fade, crack, or lose their quality, even after multiple washes. That's a significant cost-saving feature for parents. So, there you have it, the Happy Healthy Parent Silicone Baby Bibs. They are the best silicone baby bibs available, offering durability, comfort, easy cleaning, and a design that minimizes mealtime mess. If you're a parent or know someone who is, these bibs make for an excellent gift. They come in various vibrant colors, and you can trust that they'll last through many messy meals. That wraps up our review of the Happy Healthy Parent Silicone Baby Bibs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, Product Critique, for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.